Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use widgets in iOS 14. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be showing you how to add widgets, how to edit them, and even how to stack them. So widgets are these cool little squares that you can get on your home screen that are dynamic, meaning they can be changed and altered, and they're sort of live on the home screen. So to add them, you're going to press and hold down on a blank part of your home screen. Then you're going to get into this jiggly mode and you're going to hit this plus sign up here. Then you're going to have these options to add certain widgets, okay? So I'm just going to scroll all the way down. We're going to choose to add, let's say, a clock, okay? So now you can choose the various sizes. So I can use a very small one, something bigger, or even, significantly large. I'm going to choose this one right here, the one right in the middle. I'm going to click Add Widget. So I've now added the widget to the home screen, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get out of that mode. Now, if you want to edit a widget, what you can do is press and hold down on the widget and then click Edit Widget. And now it's going to give you the options for that widget. So you can see I can choose the different places that I can have the times for on this world clock, okay? So that's how you add a widget and how to edit them. If you want to stack them, which is really cool, you can do something else. So I'm going to enter the jiggly mode again, just like that. We're going to click to add another widget. I'm going to scroll all the way down. We're going to choose, let's say, the battery widget, okay? And the same size. Sorry about that. We'll choose this one right here. I guess there's not the same size option. We'll choose this one right here. Yeah, this is the same size. I apologize. I thought it was a smaller one, but you can see this takes up to 4 squares. So I'm going to click Add Widget right there. And now, as you can see, I have both of the widgets. We're still in jiggly mode. I can take this widget and I can actually drag it on top of that widget, okay? I'm going to hit Done. And now we have stacked the widgets. Check that out. We have the clocks, battery, clocks, battery. And you can stack a whole bunch of widgets, which makes it even better. That's it. That is how to use widgets in iOS 14. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.